jeez. You mad at mommy? You mad? The claw. The claw. Oh man. You don't like the claw, do you? Cuff. Cuff, cuff. Oh, is he getting mad? Look at his paws are just... Oh, which was she biting at there? Oh, Fanny. Fanny. It's terrible the way you're hitting your mommy. Hitting your mom. Oh, just leave me alone. Claw. The claw. The claw. Claw. Listen to the beautiful song and feel the mood. What are you so mad for? Why are you mad at me? Maybe I'll just go cuff like that. Do you cuff? Cuff. You're not even looking. Pay attention. Okay. Right now we got a game. Where's Nickity? Look at you. Mad. Why are you so mad at me? I'm just giving you the claw. Why are you mad? You're hurting me. Why are you so damn mad? You're mad because I won't feed you. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, now you're not so mad, are you?